Welcome to Auto Ascent channel. Toyota has expanded its SUV lineup with the addition of the Crown Signia, a stylish crossover sibling to the Crown sedan. Replacing the Venza, this new two-row midsize offering boasts a hybrid powertrain as its sole option, delivering 243 horsepower, over 30 miles per gallon, and standard all-wheel drive. The Crown Signia distinguishes itself with a more luxurious interior compared to other Toyota models, featuring premium materials and an upscale design. It also promises greater space and capability, towing included, than its predecessor, the Venza. While the Crown Signia offers a serene and comfortable driving experience, it is not particularly dynamic. Despite its premium positioning, it is priced competitively, rivaling models like the Honda Passport, Hyundai Santa Fe, and Nissan Murano. The Crown Signia fills a similar niche in Toyota's lineup as the outgoing Venza. It's larger than the compact RAV4, yet smaller than the three-row Highlander, with a starting price that exceeds both. The 2025 Toyota Crown Signia starts at $45,040, with the price rising to $49,440 depending on the trim and options. It is available in two trims, XLE and Limited. For those seeking a more premium experience, the Limited trim is worth the extra cost. It includes leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, 21-inch wheels, heated rear seats, and an 11-speaker JBL sound system. The Crown Signia's hybrid all-wheel drive system pairs a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors, producing a combined 243 horsepower. A continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, comes standard. While the powertrain isn't particularly thrilling, especially with the engine's droning sound during hard acceleration, it provides adequate performance for real-world scenarios, such as highway passing.